Quick tips for your financial New Year's resolutions and how estate plans can help. What's up, everybody? My name is Josh Key. I'm the managing attorney at Key Law. We take the headache out of estate planning and probate so you can focus on what's important. Before we begin with those quick tips, if you have questions about anything related to estate planning or probate and you'd like to speak to an attorney for free, you can do so by going to keylawllc.com. You can schedule your own appointment right there. We'd be happy to talk to you and see if we can help you with some of these New Year's resolutions. Now, on with these quick tips. So when New Year's rolls around, everyone always has New Year's resolutions related to fitness or health, and financial New Year's resolutions are kind of a part of that too. People like to try to get their finances in order, whether that's a budget or some other aspects of their life. Maybe it's investments. So let's just talk a little bit about some things that you can do to kind of help yourself on that. First of all is get a budget. Being able to sit down and have a budget gives you an idea of what is going on with your financial life, where your money is going, and be able to set goals as far as saving or investments or other aspects of your life. If you don't have a plan or at least some sort of general plan that you follow, then it's just a free-for-all. And I think we all kind of know if you don't have a plan or if you don't have directions where you're going, sometimes that can end up being a little bit uneasy and you're kind of all over the map. So that's the first thing that I would recommend is try to sit down and at least get a budget or get an idea of where your money is going. Secondly, your mindset. New Year's resolutions always bring about things that are really, really difficult to tackle. And part of it is because they're things that we just really don't want to do. You know, getting up and going to the gym is painful. Not buying that brand new Prada bag or those new Air Force Ones or that new really awesome miter saw that's sitting at Home Depot. It's really painful, and we really have to start making decisions about what's best for us long term instead of what's going on and what our needs and wants are in the short-term moments. So being able to have some discipline and get your mind right for that will not only help for any New Year's resolution, but will also help for financial New Year's resolutions because, you know, if you've got that budget, you kind of have to stick to it. And to be able to do that, you have to be able to say no to some things that maybe you really, really want. So third, how do estate plans figure into this? Getting your estate plan done will definitely help you with this. One, because it's a piece of the puzzle to your overall financial life. You're being able to slot in some asset protection, some taxes, and you're helping those around you when you perish from this earth and you leave things behind. So it's a really useful tool to be able to sit down and have a plan, and it can bring up other thoughts and things that maybe you hadn't had in mind. Maybe it can show you an area where you're lacking on insurance, or maybe you're seeing that your tax liability is too high and you need to be able to do some things with the trust or some other aspects. And the other part of it is that it protects your kids. If you're sitting around right now at New Year's and you do not have any sort of plan in place for your children when you're gone, then that should be the New Year's resolution of the century at this point. You should be on that like white on rice. And I can help you with that, or any attorney really can, but you really need to start kind of looking at that aspect of it. And once you get that estate plan kind of figured out, then you have an idea of what you have, where it is, tax-wise, what your liabilities are, and then that can also help you along with the budget have a really solid financial plan and meet your financial goals and your New Year's resolutions for your finances. So that's how estate plans can help. Again, my name is Josh Key. I'm the managing attorney at Key Law. We take the headache out of estate planning and probate so you can focus on what's important. We'll see you on the next one.